Okay, let's start with a conversation around the chipset and semiconductor shortage. Raw materials were impacted when COVID hit. Then you look at the facilities that manufacture also got hit by COVID. This caused major ripples throughout the supply chain of the chipsets. All that while there's increased demand.
Increased demand for products and continued pandemic restrictions have worsened earlier impacts to the global supply chain. From the global ports to freight companies moving goods by land, sea, and air, all are experiencing container shortages, labor shortages, and ever-increasing costs. The congestion will continue to worsen and spells trouble for manufacturers, retailers, and holiday shoppers.
If you're in the manufacturer and distribution business with hardware, you've been significantly impacted by supply chain shortages. Whether it's processors, components, containers, the surge in demand throughout the pandemic, everything is being significantly slowed down. Our best recommendation here at DataRemote is secure your orders as soon as possible. Make sure those components, processors, containers are booked as early and as often as possible to reduce your constraints on your supply chain.